Hey guys, you're back with your boy Dunky for season 1, episode 2 of The Last of Us, and I'm about to release the first episode tomorrow, so I haven't read comments, so I don't know how you guys felt about my first reaction, but hopefully it was positive. But that first one was awesome, and like I said at the end of the first one, where it looks like they're going, it looks like I don't need these glasses. Looks like what was the hardest part of the game for me because it really forced me to get into the controller. So we'll see if it'll actually jog my memory a bit. Because, like I said, that was like 7 years ago. Yeah, so, all right, let's go. This right? She a doctor or something? She a,
Apa Bapak tidak salah orang?
Andre Bu Ratna, Profesor Mikologi, Universitas Indonesia.
psychology. Indonesia. That's where they said it began, yeah? They said Jakarta.
Ibu mungkin
Pendapat Bu Ratna yang saya butuhkan.
Must be the best in the business. She's gonna go, holy shit.
Kami gunakan sebagai persiapan pengambilan sampel dari tubuh manusia, Bu Ratna.
Gonna say, that's impossible.
Cordyceps tidak bisa bertahan pada manusia.
Oh shit. This shit's got me freaking out the most about global warming. Oh. Is it gonna be a clicker? Are they actually dead? They must be. Shit, it's already a bite. So this isn't like ground zero. Ooh. Man, this is still bloody intense. This isn't in the game, that's for sure. Oh shit, they're gonna cut the head open, drill it open, saw it open. Don't bite her. This is gonna be stuff that was in that old woman's mouth. Oh, what the fuck? Burn that body.
Terima kasih, Pak. Lalu bagaimana dengan orang yang digigitnya?
Dibawa untuk diobservasi. Sayangnya
Weh.
beberapa jam kemudian telah menjadi keharusan sesuai dengan prosedur.
To shoot them too.
Mereka harus tetap dieksekusi.
To execute them.
Siapa yang menggigit perempuan itu, Pak?
They don't know.
Kami tidak tahu, Ibu.
Oh my god.
Jadi artinya mereka masih
14 orang hilang.
Man, how good. She's acting the hell out of this, man. She's going, I'm gonna go on holiday.
Kemari untuk membantu kami untuk mencegah penyebaran.
She's gonna say it's too late.
Itu vaksin.
tidak ada obat dan tidak ada vaksin.
The vaccine. Oh.
Jadi apa yang harus kami lakukan?
Bom.
Oh.
Mulailah pengoboman. Bom seluruh kota dan seluruh orang yang ada di dalamnya.
Wow, she's cold as a mofo. Well, she's not cold. She's just
Apa ada yang bisa
logical.
saya pulang?
Holy shit, man. Oh my god. The Ellie.
Test you how?
I have to pee.
Test you how?
They'd make me count to 10 and hold out my hand and then keep it steady. But you know, I think what really impressed them was the fact that I didn't turn into a fucking monster.
Yeah.
How can I please?
Right, Ellie. Not used to this actress yet, but Ellie from the game, she's so crude.
Tear out a few pages.
There's not gonna be anything bad in here?
Just you.
Oh, fine. funny.
Maybe a hairline. It'll heal fast.
Got to keep it bloody wrapped up though. Still,
All right, we're still close to the wall. We sneak her back into the QZ. We find a different way to get the battery.
it's like, dude, you want to help Tommy, man? You got to. You get anything you want for help for getting Ellie to bloody wherever. Is that jerky? Yummy. Jerky, or I just watched Fallout, or is it ass jerky? Which may still be yummy.
Yep.
It doesn't matter if she is or she isn't what the Fireflies say. If they believe that she is,
Exactly, we get what we want.
we get what we want.
Exactly.
If she so much as twitches.
Don't.
Yeah. I wouldn't fuck around, man.
Can I have a gun?
Absolutely not.
Okay, Jesus, fine. I'll just throw a fucking sandwich at them.
I'll just throw a sandwich at them. Give her a bow and arrow. I'm getting a major urge to play this again, but I don't know. I don't want to get scared. There's some scary parts. I hate being scared.
It's the long way or the we're fucking dead way.
Well, I vote long way, just based on that limited information.
Yeah.
We have to check it from the hotel first.
10 minutes away. In the game, it was always ages away.
The old mall in the QZ?
How old are you?
14.
I mean, you got some balls on you, sister.
You don't know the half of it, mate. Unless she's yet to grow them.
So there aren't super infected that explode fungus spores on you?
Shit, I hope not.
Or ones with split open heads that see in the dark like bats?
First one was a bloater, wasn't it?
What was that?
Apart from the danger, it looks quite beautiful. Duckies. Do you need a ladder here, or you got to swim and get it something for maybe Ellie to climb on? I'm gonna play it after this episode, actually.
Like this?
No,
But I'm not gonna go past
what this is.
anywhere
Have you heard of
in
books?
the show.
Well, I don't know how to swim.
Seriously?
Gotta get her something to climb up on.
Oh, check it out.
Don't go to the piano. Yeah.
Ding, ding.
Shut up,
I'd
man.
like your finest sweet, please. You're a weird kid. Oh, fuck me.
Shit. Can we just try to go stealth?
You okay?
Man, he's so paranoid about infection. Which I would be too.
Holy shit.
Come on, it wasn't that bad.
You try climbing 10 fucking floors with our knees. See how you feel.
10 floors, give me a break. See, I'm not sure I'm gonna play it, man. I just don't like being scared in video games.
Where'd you learn to do that?
The circus.
He's just going, for fuck's sake, mate. Try to be nice.
How long do infected live?
Oh, I thought you went to school.
It's a really shitty one.
Oh, shit.
They're connected.
Like
Fungus also grows underground.
a wave.
Fibers like wires. Some of the
It's bone dry. Could mean they're all finally dead in there.
Oh, man.
Not sure. I remember the museum.
Marlene packing one of these, or?
Whoa. Up, Gimli. Oh, they got some crazy sets, yeah? I'm not sure. In the game, you find a rifle in here. They're blind, yeah? I think clickers are blind. The headshot man. Clickers, good actors, man, just like in the game. And the noise they make is so freaky. Alright, it's dead. Yes. Lucky there's not more around hearing that.
You fucking kidding me? I mean, if it was gonna happen to one of us.
I didn't see when she got bitten.
Over there?
Yeah, I know, looks scary.
That was scary. This is wood.
Just wait
Jesus,
there.
man.
Give us a minute. Is it everything you hoped for?
Jury's still out. But
That's
man, you
where
can't
they've got to
deny that,
go. He glanced at his watch. And that's just ahead. It took me ages to get to here. It was pretty recent.
Holy shit.
They're shot, yeah? They're killed by soldiers.
Who killed them? Vedra?
No.
No, raiders or
One
something.
of them got bit. The
Oh,
healthy ones fought the sick ones. Everyone lost. Tess,
oh.
what are you doing?
Our luck had to run out sooner or later.
Fuck. She's infected.
Show me.
I remember this part.
Joel, she's fucking real. I need you to get her to Bill and Frank's.
No.
Please say yes, Joel. Please.
Oh, fuck!
Shit, that's what they were saying before. Holy shit. Oh my god, that's all those ones. In my memory, I thought it was soldiers that came here.
What are you doing?
Making sure that they don't follow you.
And she's badass as a motherfucker, man. Oh, grenade.
We're not leaving her! Get off me, you fucker! Not going with you!
You are badass. Oh, what? Serious? Put it down on the ground and do it. Why did it do that kissing thing instead of a biting thing? That was gross. Well, that was a good episode. It didn't blow me away as much as the first episode did. I thought that was, I don't know, in my memory, it took me so long to get to that bloody place. Like, I thought that was sort of almost going to be the end of the game. And I was just like, okay. So I thought we would have got there in episode, like at the end of episode 3 instead of sort of episode 2. And the really hard part for me, it skipped. So, but I would have liked for them to do a bit more world building, not world building, but characterization of Tess before that sacrifice. Because in the first one, when the daughter died, in the first one, when the daughter died, I felt really sad, but I didn't feel really sad when she died then, when Tess died. But I don't think in the game I felt really sad either. I think it's just because Tess is more of a soldier than, you know, more of a soldier than a friend or a love interest or something. She's sort of a, you know, friend, but they're a soldier. I don't know if you know what I mean. But man, that was creepy how it kissed her. What the hell was up with that? That is weird, man. And so, hey, but pretty good special effects all around. So what are they going to do now? Like I sort of know in the game. I thought that part in the game, I may be wrong, but I thought in the game it was Fedra, like actual soldiers, where Tess sacrificed herself and killed soldiers, not infected. But here it was infected. I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong. And I can't remember where they go from here. I just remember here. That's right. They said go to Frank and Bill's. So Frank and someone, I don't know. But I remember a bit about that part. Okay. I hope they get a good actor for whoever it is. I think it's Bill. I was quite fond of that person in the game. So, all right, man. I hope this keeps going well. Okay, guys. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next episode. Peace out.